How to check schedule post on Facebook? First, go to Facebook app on Android phone or iPhone. It depends on your device. Then press on the right upper corner here. As you can see, this is your dashboard. Now click on Professional Dashboard. As you can see, this is your professional dashboard. Now on the upper side you can see analytics, content, community and monetize. There you will select content. Now you can see your all the public post and the scheduled post here. That's how you can see and edit your scheduled post on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe please.